Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a few things to show you today from Coodeals. One I am really super excited about, and I'll leave that to the end. I've already taken this out of the packing. It was in bubble wrap and in the white bag, and it's very well protected. Anyhow, let's look at what we have. First of all, I was like, I have a rubber ducky? I do. It's a gift. I got a little rubber duck. I'm going to put him in my bathroom on the toilet with some other friends I have there. Oh, goodness. Okay, let's look at what we have. All right. So their bags open. I'm sorry, I have to make a lot of noise. Their bags open this way along the painting, and they roll back up. Okay, so let's see what we got here. It's like a little envelope here. Look at that. Cute. Okay, I'm going to roll this backwards real quick. I did not take these out of the packages clearly, so roll it backwards so that we can see it. It's pretty long. Ooh, it's really long. Keep going, keep going. Okay, here we go. This is a big one. All right, here is their toolkit. So it is a little upgraded. We have the white boat. We have a pair of tweezers, a couple of baggies. So it's a little nicer toolkit than your green boat Play-Doh wax type thing. Here's our drills. Look, individually bagged. Love it. There's an inventory sheet. Okay, let's look at this. Let's look at this first. Look at that. You know I couldn't resist it, right? So how cute is that? It's a stack of gnomes. A stack of gnomes with some daffodils and other things, right? Isn't that cute? Right? And it says welcome. Pretty. It has 29 different colors. Here's your legend over here. There's only a legend on one side, but that's okay. It is what size? 40 by 60. All right. So with Coodeals, is this a true 40 by 60? Let's find out. Let's find out, okay? Where's our centimeter side? Right here. Let's see. Nope, it's 35. Okay, so it'll be 35 by 55. Okay, that's fine. Perfect. I think they were just super cute. Now, it's wanting to fold and stuff because the plastic's tight. So, you know, if you just pull this plastic back a little, like such, get past some of those folds, and then lay it down nice and flat, you will get rid of those, what look like, don't do that though. Do not do what I just did. Get the plastic backwards. That doesn't work. You'll get rid of some of those, what appear to be like wrinkles. Here, that's the plastic. There. See how nice and flat it will get? Right? Okay. So that's what I normally do before you guys ever see these. I've been opening them and getting them fairly flat, but I didn't have time for this one. It just came yesterday, and I wanted to open it because I'll show you. You'll see why in a minute. Okay, same deal here, right? So like envelope style. There we go. All of our drills are in here. Coodeals always sends you an inventory sheet, which I really appreciate. Since they don't have stickers to put on your jars, I always take this and run this through my Xyron sticker maker. I'll cut out just like this part here, the number and the symbol. Cut that out, run that through my Xyron sticker maker, and then I can put it on my containers. So here's the number, 1 through 29. Here's the symbol. Here is the color number, the quantity, and your bags. Like, I think this is ounces, okay? So it looks like it's all letters and numbers for our symbols. Alphanumeric. Yep, okay. And then here's our drills. They're round drills. I love the pre-bagged. Love, love, love pre-bagged. I'm just going to pull out a few. I'm not going to pull out all the colors, but look. Look how nice they look, right? Very nice. This is so easy to get started on, to just start working on it, because all you have to do is pull out some colors and get going, right? Love it. And there's one here. I'm going to put some drills on for sure. Pretty colors though, right? So we're going to have oranges, reds, blues, yellows, greens. There's even some tan in here, a little bit of white or gray for the beards. Nice. Okay, let's look at a bag real quick, just to show you what's on their bag. I pulled out a different batch. Did you notice? Okay, so look, each bag says Coodeals, right? DM2. I don't know what that means. What's DM2? Oh, that's Dipple Mindy, number 2. That's me. Look, even the drills are personalized to me. DM2. Dipple, Mindy, this is painting number 2. 40 by 60, round. Here's the number on the canvas. Here's your DMC code, and it's 3.7 grams. There you go. That's that other number. Very nice. And these are nice bags. They are not chintzy bags. They got some heft to them. I like that. Oh, look at that. How pretty, right? Look at how pretty. Okay. All right, I'll stop. I'll stop with that one. Okay. Slide on over here and let's see what else we have. Let's look at this one. Sorry, we got to get into it. Got to make a little noise. This one, oh my gosh. Look at the colors already. Can you see them? You're like, look at all of the colors. Tons and tons of colors. Okay. Let's roll it backwards. Yeah, on the top of the canvas, they used to put like your whole name, and then I think they stopped doing that. Just, I don't know, privacy or something. So now it like has your initials, so they know it's your order. You know it's your order. All right. Okay, you slide over here. Come on. Let go. Everything's all sticky. Look at that. Look at the prettiness. Is that a word? Prettiness? It's just a heart, but look at all the colors. Wow, there are 28 colors in this. So, I mean, can you say like, you know, happy rainbow day here, right? Happy rainbow day. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Red, orange, yellow. Okay. Roy G. Biv. There's your rainbow. Love it. So when you say a painting has all the colors of the rainbow, this one truly does. 28. Well, you know, there's not 28 colors in the rainbow, but hey, we have lots of variations of each of those colors. So that's pretty. Loved that when I saw it. A little bit of confetti here, but you get a little bit of, you know, you can multi-place here a little bit, here a little bit, here, you know what I mean? So it's got a nice mix. It does have a bit of color blocking, but a bit of confetti. It's a good mix. Good mix. So you see there's DM1, 40 by 40 centimeters round drills. All the same information type, you know, thing on your inventory sheet. Wow. Just wow. We got to do this. Okay. We got to do this. Look. Purple, yellow, pink, red, green, yellow, orange. More green. How beautiful. Oh, how beautiful. I love these bags. These are nice bags. I'm liking these. They're a little thicker. I'm enjoying that. And then we got a little bit of white. There's some white. Look at those. Those are my colors right there. There we go. There's a Mindy painting right there. Purple, teal, pink. I'll take those all day. And I might take those here in a minute. I'll show you why. All right. Super pretty. I love that one. Oh my gosh. I love the size of it. You can order sizes with Coodeal. You can pick your size. Not everything has sizes, but they print everything at their own location. They do it all. They print it, they package it, they do the drills for you. That's why my drills are individualized with my name on it, or my initials anyhow, right? Because they do it right there. Okay? All right. Last one. And this is the one I'm super excited to just show you. I'm going to see if I can keep it kind of hidden here a little bit until I get it rolled backwards and laid out for you. I want it to be a kind of moment. You know what I mean? So I'm going to hide it back here. Hang on. Let's roll it backwards. I hope this turns out. I really, this is a custom. Okay? It is a custom. And I'll show you what it is. Okay, sit right there. Toolkit again. Okay. Are you ready? And it's in a fairly good size. I like the size of it. Okay. All right. We're just looking at the drills, taking a peek. Before you get to see it, I want to see it. Are you ready? Are you ready? It's so good. Look at it. It's my logo. My logo was created by Sandy from Bella Safina. Thank you so much. I will always give her credit for that. She did this for me. Thank you. Isn't it wonderful? Oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay. It's a 50 by 50. Now this is going to be a white background, and that's fine. I mean, that's fine. If I wanted to, I could even cut off some of the white background or just leave it the way it is. I could change the white background. I could make it pink or, whatever I wanted to do. But, oh, it's my logo. Mindy's Diamond Moments. I love it. I just love it. Oh my gosh. Well, Sandy, look what happens here. Look. From my idea, I wanted just a cute little girl, my puppy dog, we couldn't find a dachshund, but this was close, I love it. The pinks, the purples, the flowers, everything. That's me, right? It just screams Mindy, right? I love it. It is so good. It is so good. You guys, I am so happy. So yeah, I sent this picture over to Allie at Coodeals, and I was like, could you, my image had black on the background. I don't know why it was showing up with black, but I was like, can you change it so it's not a black background? I don't want black, And he's like, yeah. So they did it as white, but that's fine. That is just fine. I could have asked for pink or something maybe, but I love it. So last time I got a custom from them, I talked about how the way your customs turn out is really all in the picture that you send them. If you send a good picture, your custom's going to turn out nice. If you have a picture that's, like the one I did was with the birds in the tree and the ice on the branches and stuff, it's all right. But I think it could have been better. I would have cropped it more, done something, zoomed in more on the birds, that kind of stuff. But it's the proof is all in your picture that you send. You have to have a good photo. And Allie will work with you. You can let him know, I said, I don't want black on the background, that kind of stuff. He'll fix things for you. He'll work with you. And they can render right there at their own shop because they do everything from start to finish. So, yeah. All right, let's look at these drills and see what kind of colors we get. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it. I just love it. Love, love, love. Same inventory sheet, of course. How many colors do we have? 32. That's a nice amount of colors. Yay. I'm seeing some of my favorites. The 200 family, 208, 209, 210. They're in there. 550s there. The purples. Love it. Okay, here we go. Told you, white background, right? and the white is, this is white in here. So this has to be white. I might see if I can find a few ABs for a few things. I don't know. I got to just look at it, think about it, play with it. You know what I mean? All right, let's look at some colors. Oh, well, let's start with the browns, the tans, and, we've got, dog. And is this her pants? Let me see. Number 20. Yep, that's her little overalls. That's her overalls. I don't know why they're $9.39. Well, that's dark blue, but I guess we just got dark denim on. Some dark denim overalls. Yeah. Some mauve colors. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. I want to see all the pretty pinks and purples. There we go. I think that's what I have in my hand here. Yes, here we go. These are kind of in order, I just realized. But because here's our 208, 209, 210 family. Look at them. Pretty. More tans and browns. I mean, we do have a puppy dog and we have hair and, things that are brown and tan. Look at, here we go. Here's what I was looking for. Look at them. Oh, I'm so excited. And there's the pinks. I got one more pink in the bag too. There we go. Beautiful. So here's the pinks. Here's another pink too. I mean, here's the pink family for all the pinks and the purples and the flowers. And here's our leaves. We got some green. And then the browns and stuff are for, her boots, the dog and whatnot. Isn't she adorable? Oh my gosh, you guys, this is exciting. I told you, I'm so glad these are in pre-bag drills because I don't have to kit this up. I'm going to work on it. I'm going to put some drills on here. Yeah, I got to think about it first though. I really need to think about it. What would you sparkle up with some ABs? What would you sparkle up with ABs? Or, some sparklers or anything like that. What would you do? I mean, the dog is a no. The boots, no. Her overalls, nah. I don't know, maybe put some sparkly stuff in the border. Maybe pick a rhinestone to mix throughout, or a sparkler or something. I don't know. Let me know what you think, but I'm so excited. It is so cute. I love it. Just love it. All right. Coodeals did a great job on this one. I mean, it was a nice photo to start with, and it's in a nice size, so everything, you know, rendered beautifully. I love it. Oh, okay. I will link the others below. I can't link this one for you, but I'll link the others below, and you can check those out. The heart, oh my gosh, the heart is going to be so pretty. If I thought I had time to like join the Pride event and do something, I would probably do this. It's smaller, has all the colors of the rainbow. It is a rainbow, you know? Yeah, love it. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you enjoyed this. I thoroughly enjoyed it. There's my Mindy. Isn't she cute? All right, I'm gonna let you go now, and I hope you come back later and see more videos. This one was super exciting for me to unbox, so yay. All right, see you guys soon. Have a great day.